My name is Dr. Thea Nicole Davis. I am a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist and maternal fetal medicine specialist at Mandeville Regional Hospital in the Southern Regional Health, with the Southern Regional Health Authority. Today we were able to receive 2 handheld butterfly ultrasound machines, which will go a long way on our obstetric ward. As I was telling my bosses earlier today, that prior to COVID, right before COVID, our ultrasound machine went down. And of course, COVID has been a priority worldwide, and of course at Mandeville Regional. And now that things are getting right back, to normal, we've been really struggling to manage our obstetric patients because of the lack of an ultrasound machine. So this is an amazing gift. I came here this morning not knowing exactly what to expect, and to know that I'm actually leaving here today with 2 handheld ultrasound machines is amazing, and we are going to get to work with these machines tomorrow. I'd just like to say thank you to American Friends of Jamaica for donating our ultrasound machines today, and for the JAHJAH Foundation for the ongoing training for use of this amazing machine that we will be getting to use as early as tomorrow at Mandeville Regional Hospital.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kimberly Nugent from the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology from the St. Anne's Bay Regional Hospital.
I am Dr. Wilbert McIntosh from St. Anne's Bay Hospital, Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology.
I think it was an excellent presentation. I think it will be beneficial at our institution, and we hope to implement it as soon as possible.
Yes, it was very informative. I am glad that there is, we can compare when we look at this new technology that's available and the existing, right? They are basically neck and neck, and I know that improvements will be made. So this would be innovation for us, and I'm glad to be a part of it. It was very informative and instructive, and we hope to implement it as soon as possible.
Our sincere gratitude to the American Friends of Jamaica for the machine that was given to our institution.
All right, thank you JAHJAH Foundation, right, for giving us this training in the using the butterfly ultrasound machine.
Hi, I'm Judith Neathley Roberts. I'm a doctor in OB/GYN at Cornwall Regional Hospital.
Dr. Anicia Slowly, also a doctor at Cornwall Regional Hospital in the OB/GYN department.
Well, the course was a refresher course for us both, but the butterfly probe is a new entity for us. And the fact that it's portable means we can access it in the accident and emergency area and on the labor ward, which will help us really in better assessment of our patients and in making quick decisions whether we need surgery or admission or sentinel.
Well, it was very informative, very well organized, very well put together. Really just repeating what Dr. Anita has said before, that these devices will really help us in our management of patients moving forward. So it was very good, very good.
We got 2 machines today, and we're most grateful, and we'd like to extend our greatest appreciation to the American Friends of Jamaica. They were very insightful in providing us with a tool that will help us to decrease our maternal mortality and to better attend to our patients here at Cornwall Regional and in Jamaica. We're very grateful. Thank you, FJ.
Thank you to the JAHJAH Foundation for providing the training for the use of these devices today. We will certainly use it to our benefits.
I'm Dr. Kay Palmer Cole from the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. I'm obstetrician and gynecologist.
I am Dr. Clean Kelly, maternal and fetal medicine specialist from Victoria Jubilee Hospital.
I'm Dr. Yor Alfred from the Kingston and St. Andrew Health Department and Victoria Jubilee Hospital.
Training was excellent. We got a lot of information. We have found that the ultrasound machines are easy to use and definitely will be of benefit to us in our hospital.
Yeah, the training was excellent. We had cutting edge technology working with, simple devices that were able to move around and really, help our patients and help us to better treat and help our patients.
I found it to be very exciting. It's nice to have live training, and it's easy to use, and it's something that I can see myself using over and over, that to help our patients.
I'd love to thank the American Friends of Jamaica for giving us the machines. Really appreciate it.
Thanks to JAHJAH Foundation for investing time in training us that will be able to effectively use the machine to help our patients.
Hi, I'm Dr. Trudy Ann Batchelor. I'm consultant OBGYN, Spanish Town Hospital. Well, this was an excellent training, very hands-on, which we appreciated, a very intuitive device, so we're happy for the training and we're sure that it will help our department a lot. So thank you to the American Friends of Jamaica and to the JAHJAH Foundation for the training that we had here today.